Hi, my name is Ed Crow, and I'm the owner of Mr. Ed's Vent Cleaning and Mr. Ed's Appliance Repair. We have been in business for 15 years with a 5-star rating and a Better Business rating A+. We have 44 years experience in the major appliance business, working in the Albuquerque and Rio Rancho area. Due to high customer demand, we are now offering professional dryer vent cleaning. The importance of a clean dryer vent will provide peace of mind from the potential of fire danger. Failure to clean the dryer vents is the leading cause of home closed dryer fires. Mr. Ed's dryer vent cleaning will identify any fire or health hazards that may be present due to an obstruction in the vents. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has reported over 2,900 residential home fires and more than 30 deaths caused by this. We make dryer operate more efficiently and have the most advanced industrial design rotobrush and vacuum cleaning equipment available, with a full color camera to inspect the vents when complete. Because we have many years' experience in the appliance repair, we also offer an affordable and important dryer reconditioning service. This will provide an additional peace of mind, knowing that your dryer has been cleaned inside, and we inspect all parts, vacuum and oil. Since our service van is completely fully stocked, we can replace worn and broken parts. We will increase the life of your dryer because your dryer will run less time to dry your clothes. You will save money on energy and have the confidence that all the lint has been removed. So please call us now to get your dryer vent appointment. We are looking forward to providing this service that you need. Call 505-319-0919 now.